Need a clickable call to action on your page? The button component makes it easy to add a link that stands out and gets attention. Let's take a look. Here are example buttons on a page, perfect for guiding visitors to another section of your site, linking to an external website such as a booking profile, or even letting visitors download a file, like a PDF menu. Now let's see how to add it. To add a button, click Add. Then select Button from the Components list. Your new button will automatically match the style of other buttons on your site, such as those in Forms. To edit your button, click on it to open the Settings window. Here, you can change a few key options. The label is the text shown on the button. Simply type in what you want it to say. Choose whether the button should be left-aligned, centered, or right-aligned. The link is where the button will take visitors when clicked. Choose an existing page, enter a web address, or link to a file you've uploaded. For example, a PDF menu or brochure. Finally, choose your preferred button style. Click OK to apply your changes or cancel to return to the page without saving them. Don't forget to press Save in the toolbar so your updated button is live for your website visitors. And that's it! With the button component, you can create clear, clickable links that help guide your visitors exactly where you want them to go.